So let me show you my eggs. I only use pasture-raised eggs. Since I started eating animal foods again, I just want to make sure that it's pasture-raised eggs. It's a little bit more expensive, but I would rather spend the extra money and know that I'm getting a purer product. I also do see this says 100% grass-fed and finished beef burger patties, 85% lean and 15% fat. This is a good ratio for burgers and meatloaf because you need that fat. So let's start dumping everything in there. I have 1 pound. The recipe is for 1 pound of ground beef. 85-15 I think you should do. So you have that fat. Your meatloaf need the fat to be a little bit tender. We have salt, garlic powder, black pepper, sugar. I have my eggs. Okay. Beat this a little bit. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. This meatloaf is going to be really, really good, guys, and it has a secret ingredient. Gonna pour that in there. Gonna put onions and bell pepper, red bell pepper. You can use green if you like. We're gonna do some Parmesan cheese, half a cup. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Ketchup, guys, 1/4 cup ketchup. You see the ingredients in this, guys. You know this is gonna be delicious just based on the ingredients. They're so pungent. Smells just like regular thyme. Mexican thyme, guys. Right here in my kitchen, I could just pick it right off here when I'm cooking. Let me chop these up. This is the secret ingredient, guys. Start getting this together here. So I have my muffin pans here. You can also do this like a regular meatloaf in a loaf pan, but I'm doing these individual ones in the muffin tin. I need to do one last thing. Put some ketchup over this. "30 minutes in the oven." So guys, it's been 35 minutes. These are the muffin meatloaf, and the extra I put it in this little Pyrex dish. It's beautiful. So this is my dinner. I'm going to put 2 muffin meatloaf on top of the salad. My 3 favorite veggies: broccoli. I steam those. Broccoli, beans, and asparagus. Drizzle some olive oil. See, look at this. See, just This is so tasty. So this is how I've been eating for, I don't know, a week and a half, less than 2 weeks. So I'm trying to lose some weight. 10-15 pounds that I put on over the past 3 years. This is what I eat. No carbs. I mean, the veggies have a little bit of carb. This is how I eat. And I know I'm going to lose the weight from eating like this. Okay? So, do some black pepper on this. So let me dig in here. Delicious. This is very filling, guys. Recipe would be in the description. See you guys later. Bye-bye.